How to add more friends to Snapchat shortcut. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add more friends to your Snapchat shortcut, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually add more friends to your Snapchat shortcut, it's actually very simple. Go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. Once you launch the Snapchat app, let's say that whenever you're taking a certain snap and then you would like to send the snap to somebody by tapping this option here. If you wanted to send them to a shortcut, you would tap one of your shortcuts here, and when you tapped on one of your shortcuts you will be able to see a list of people you've added to that shortcut. But you want to add more friends to a shortcut, then that's also very simple. You just have to tap the plus icon from the top of the screen here, and then you'll be able to see the shortcuts you've created. So select the shortcuts from where you would like to add people, and then just check or uncheck the people that you want to add or remove. After you've done that, just tap the save option here, and then you would have successfully added more friends to that particular shortcut. This way you can add more friends to Snapchat shortcut. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.